poppin' everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani, also known as Street by Dani. And for today's video guys, as you can see sa title, we will be going thrifting. Ang video na to is focused on thrifting sa mga flea markets. So this is part 1 because I will be going first to South Trading Post guys. So yung South Trading Post is a flea market that usually sa South sila guys. So from time to time, meron sila mga flea markets dito sa Manila which is more near to me. So pupuntahan natin siya today. And then for part 2 guys, I will be going to Season Pass sa Maginhawa. So I'm sure you guys know Season Pass na. So if you guys want to see that, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell para ma-update kayo kung na-post ko na yung part 2. So we will check kung may mabili ba tayo sa South Trading Post today. And if we do, I will be showing it at the end of the video guys. So abangan nyo yun. So tara guys, let's go! Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa booth ni Mickey Sumuswag. So shoutout kay Mickey, Bini Mickey. Ayan, ito yung kanyang booth guys dito sa STP. So meron siya mga polo, Ralph Lauren na mga caps. Ganda yung mga colors. And then ito yung mga half zip sweaters. So super cute rin ng color. 500 pesos off siya ngayon guys. So let's check it out muna. How much do you usually sell yung mga ganito? 4, 5, 6. Nice. Yung mga ganito, yung camcorder.
This is 5 and then this is 6,000.
This one?
6,000 as well.
Nice. Bumabalik na talaga yung mga dati, no? Thank you. So, napansin ko, ang daming ganito na type na Lacoste cardigan. Maganda siya, but the problem with it for me is yung tela niya, hindi siya ganun ka soft, hindi siya ganun ka comfy, parang medyo itchy siya. Pero meron naman mga tao gusto nila mga ganito. So pag ganito guys, it's around 4,000 pesos. Tingin pa tayo sa iba guys. So dito meron sila yung mga K87 na Carhartt. May tag siya. Pero ang price nila dito guys is 2,000. So guys, tingnan nyo itong nakita. Meron silang Evisu na parang puffer jacket. Ganda nung kulay niya. Parang Gucci colors. Yun lang nga, ang size niya I think is small. I think it's small. So sayang, ganda sana to. So guys, here, may nakita akong Nike na cropped hoodie. Actually, meron ako nito, but gray yung color. Ito maganda kasi parang olive green siya. Bali, 1.8 siya, guys. Kasi I think it still has a tag. I'll show you guys the tag. So you can see here. Ayan. So, ganda sana nito. Maliit lang sa akin. Uy, abiso na hoodie. Maganda yung mga stuff nila dito, guys. Ito XL, pero I think it's an women's XL. So, medyo maliit siya. Parang ganda nito. Russet Athletic na hoodie. Really nice stuff. If only it was my size. Rude na Puma, guys. Ay, patay tayo dyan. Papakita ko to kila Josh. Okay, ikot muna tayo, guys. Ganda sana nito, guys, oh. Hindi ko lang siya size. Pero ang ganda, oh. Cool. Okay, guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Russet Accessories. So, gagawa ko ng parang necklace kasi matagal ko na gusto na may charm. So, as of the moment, I'm still checking kung paano ko siya i-in-order yung mga charms. Pero so far, ito po yung pinili ko. So, let's see kung anong mangyayari. Kasi wala pa ako nahanap sa mga thrift, guys. So, sa accessories na muna ako. It depends on how many charms and it depends also kung necklace ba, choker ba, bracelet ba. So, yun. Gawin ko muna to, guys. I'll get back to you guys later. Niggas wishing that pussy was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. And at dinner, just like this at 2. And when we French, we fresh in me too. When I bite that lip, come get me too. You want lipstick, lip gloss, sticky too. Kiss me more. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Yan, cute.
Cute ba, guys?
Cute.
Cute.
Alright, guys, so I just got home and uminom na muna ako ng Berocca, guys, kasi nabasa kami kanina. Galing sa flea market, papunta kung saan kami kakain. Ako kasi, guys, I've been drinking Berocca ever since talaga college. Tapos yung nag-work rin ako for Star Cinema. Pagpuyat ako and everything, talagang ito yung nagsisave sa akin. Hindi ako nagkakasakit. So, baka naman Berocca. So anyway, ito ang nakop ko sa STP, guys. So this is a charm necklace from, ito, Russet Accessories. So, sobrang cute, guys, kasi matagal ko nang gusto ng ganito. And nakakatuwa kasi ito, pwede mo talaga siya i-customize on the spot. Ikaw pipili ng mga charms mo, and ang cute ng mga charms nila, guys. Meron pa sila doon yung mga fried egg, mga pagkain. So, next time, yun na naman ang gagawin kong necklace, diba? Ang theme ko sa necklace ko na to is parang medyo Stussy, na may pa-hint of cute hearts and smiley. Alam mo yun? Parang personality ko lang. Ito lang na-cop ko. And yung price pala nito, guys, it depends on the number of charms na ilalagay mo. And kung anong klaseng charm yung ilalagay mo. So, meron silang mga charms dun na medyo pricier from the other charms. So, pwede nyo naman sila tanungin kung how much magiging total dun sa gagawin mong parang customization dun. And makukuha mo rin siya on the spot, guys. And kahit hindi ako nakakop naman ng mga apparel, guys, yung mga kasama ko nakakop naman. And actually, ito yung mga nakuha nila. So, first one, they got this Carhartt whip shirt. Sobrang ganda. Ganda pa ng condition, guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng print sa likod. Boxy fit siya. So, pwede rin ako manghiram nito sa kanila. Super cute. I think they got this for 900 pesos. Ooh, not bad. Carhartt na. And then second, they have this one. Carhartt din siya, guys. And tingnan niyo yung likod. Ang ganda nung print. It's something different, diba? So, ito, 900 pesos din nakuha. And then they got this from Cold Thrift. And nakakatuwa, guys, kasi nakausap ko yung may-ari nito. They are from Baguio pala, kaya Cold Thrift. Ayan, support natin sila, guys. Sila Kuya Cold Thrift. I forgot his name, pero shout out sa'yo, Kuya. Thank you so much for the discount. So, I think that's it. That's the end of my video. May part 2 pa to, guys, kasi bukas pupunta tayo sa Season Pass. So, we'll see if may makap ako dun, or kung wala, we'll see, diba? So, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, and comment anything, or you have any questions for me down below. So, I think that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Dani out!